Welcome back to Phone Transformer, where today I am going to show you exactly how to update name on Facebook using the latest app settings. Whether you have recently changed your legal name or just want a fresh look for your profile, this guide will help you get it done quickly. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to open the Facebook app on your smartphone to ensure you are logged into the account you wish to modify. This is the starting point for navigating through your personal profile settings and reaching the main dashboard. Step 2 is to then tap on the 3 horizontal lines, which are typically found in the top or bottom corner, depending on your device. This menu icon is essential for accessing the broader list of application tools and your account preferences. Step 3 is to then scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy near the bottom of the main menu list. This section groups together all the sensitive controls related to your account security and personal data management. Step 4 is to then click Settings to enter the primary configuration page where you can make specific adjustments to your digital presence. This is where the core options for your account are housed, allowing for deeper customization of your profile. Step 5 is to then go to Account Center, which is located at the very top of the settings page for easy access. The Account Center is a centralized hub that manages your identity across all connected Meta platforms in one place. Step 6 is to tap on Profiles and select the specific account where you want to make the update. Choosing the correct profile is important to ensure that the changes are applied to the right identity on the network. Step 7 is to then click Name, where you will see text fields to delete your old information and type in your new details. This is the exact spot where the actual modification occurs, so double check your spelling before moving forward. Step 8 is to then tap on Review Change to see a preview of how your updated name will appear on your profile. This step is crucial because Facebook limits how often you can change your name, so you want to be sure it looks perfect. Step 9 is to then click Save Changes to finalize the process and update your name across the entire platform. Once you confirm, your new name will be visible to your friends and followers, completing the entire update process. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.